Hello creators, me Abdullah, your graphic designing mentor. Welcome to another lecture. Today in this lecture we will learn about the field blur tool. Let's get started. First of all, take the copy of this layer. I told you that always work on the duplicated layer. Then go to filters, blur gallery and then field blur. Now in the field blur you have options to select the blurriness level according to your requirements. You have multiple pins and you can adjust according to your requirements. First pin, and then here is a slider. You can adjust the blurriness level from this slider. And now another pin, just click on the image and then okay, here you can adjust the blurriness level like by 13 to 15. Okay, and then click here from the slider, click the blurriness level to 0, and then here also 0 because near the image we want the blurriness level is 0. Likewise here is also 0 and then here also 0 like this. One thing keep in mind while using field blur, that constantly increase the blurriness level so that it doesn't look fake. Likewise here adjust the blurriness level likewise 5, then here increase to 10, it will more beautiful. Here 15, yeah, this is okay. Likewise here is 3 to 4 is okay. The now press likewise here is 0, yeah. From here is should also be 0. Adjust according to your requirements so that you have I told you that you have a multiple options, multiple pins, sorry, and you can adjust it. You can preview it by clicking this, it's before and it's after, yeah. Now below this there is a light bouquet. You can adjust the light effect from here, like if you want to increase the light of from the sky, you can adjust it, yeah, 9. And then the bouquet color, don't change it too much, then press ok, yeah. Then it's before and it's after. It is not looking too much good. Add the brightness and contrast because its brightness and contrast is not too good. Then press just auto. It automatically adjusts your brightness and contrast level according to your image, yeah. Now you can see that it automatically adjusts your brightness and contrast. It will become more realistic and good image. Here the before and here is the after. You can see that it will become more beautiful. Here is another example of field blur. It's before and it's after. You can see that the effect will become more realistic and good image. Hope you understand the lecture. It's too easy. Thank you so much for watching.